I've always dreamed of being an engineer, creating things, solving problems, making a difference. But there's so much out there, so many possibilities. Where do I start? Which path is mine? I know I'll figure it out. I just need to explore. Is it possible for me to shape the future of flight and explore beyond the skies? What if I could turn dreams of flying into groundbreaking innovations? Aerospace engineering isn't just about the sky. It's about unlocking the future of flight. Is it possible for me to design a future where progress and sustainability go hand in hand? What if I could be the one creating solutions for a greener, smarter world? Can I create intelligence that thinks and learns like humans? What if I could leverage data and AI to predict, solve problems, and shape the future? Is it possible for me to bridge the gap between imagination and automation? What if I could build robots that shape the way we live and work? Is it possible for me to turn ideas into the technology we use every day? What if I could design systems that power a smarter, more connected world? Is it possible for me to combine technology and compassion to save lives? What if I could create innovations that transform the future of healthcare? Is it possible for me to revolutionize how things are made, combining creativity and precision? What if I could create the tools and technologies that shape tomorrow's industries? Is it possible for me to design the infrastructure that keeps the digital world running? What if I could combine innovation and technology to support the community? Is it possible for me to explore every corner of engineering before finding where I truly belong? What if I could discover my passion while building the skills to make it real? Is it possible for me to find a hobby that's just as exciting as my studies? What if I could join a team, make new friends, and compete in sports I've never tried? Is it possible for me to build memories outside of the classroom that last a lifetime? So, have I figured it out? I don't have all the answers yet, but I know this is my time to explore, to discover, and to grow. This is where I'll challenge myself, where I'll turn my passion into something real. There are so many paths to take, so many challenges to conquer, so many possibilities.